My name is Fabian. I'm from Chicago. I've been a fan of Eibar for a couple of years, and I first heard of Eibar when they were raising funds to raise money to stay in the first division. And reading about their story and where they came from to where they are now, and having the success that they've had to be promoted to the first division, and then the unfairness that came when they were possibly going to get relegated all the way down to the third division. I think it was a story that touched a lot of people, and it seemed unfair, and they were the underdog compared to all the big money clubs in La Liga. So I think that was a story that made me want to be a part of something when I bought shares of the club. I think that underdog story is what a lot of people connect with when they think of Eibar, and that's mainly the reason why I'm a big supporter of the club.
My name is John Sager, and I am the president of the Eibar USA president group. I was really drawn to the Eibar story as something I wanted to be a part of. I really like the way that they go against just moneyed interest in sports. They're all about the sporting spirit, and when I got to know their story and know their people, I wanted to visit Eibar and meet other Eibar fans in the U.S. and in Spain and all over the world. And it's been exactly as I expected. Everyone's been amazing. The fans in Eibar, the fans in the USA, and I've really grown to love this club. It's kind of a shock because when I first found out about Eibar, I've always loved basketball, but when I found out about their story, I was worried that they were even going to be able to stay in the first division. They were going to get relegated, and they maybe get relegated the next year, and so it's so good to see them thriving and in the USA. I came out to Philadelphia from California just for this event because I appreciate it so much, and it's so good to see the team after a great season. My family read some things, so they appreciate the story. But the people that don't understand it is some fans that are in California who just think that they need to support Chelsea and just clubs with a lot of money and just trying to win trophies. And there's another way, and it's the Eibar way.
So my name is Jane. I'm from the New Jersey, New York area. I support Eibar because they're very inspiring. I started following them this season. Actually, I follow Eibar mostly because the transfer of Takashi Inui. I was really surprised to hear there's a Japanese player in a Spanish team, and I was really hoping to talk to him in Japanese. But they're all great. I happen to like Borja because I think his story about how he recovered from the injury was really inspiring. And I'm glad to see he's doing well, despite that setback. So I feel like, in my own personal life, whenever I have that kind of setback, you can pick up and still succeed.
My name is Dwight Hine, and I live in Campbelltown, Pennsylvania, which is in central Pennsylvania, about 2 hours from Philadelphia. And I started supporting Eibar 2 years ago when they received promotion. I read about their story and was fascinated by the size of their town and how they seem to be a people's club. The town that I live near and where my wife works is about 25,000 people, and I think Eibar has about 27,000. And I said, that would be incredible if we had a team in La Liga from our city, and that's impossible, but it was such a great story. I just thought that makes a connection for us. And I agree that sometimes I think Americans are attracted to the big clubs and the big names, but I think we also like underdog stories and those that are seen as working teams that are trying to work to earn their place in the league. And I think Eibar has to do that regularly, and it's great to support a team that works hard for where they're at.
Alpa